To write the Lewis structure for NaF, sodium fluoride, we'll write Na and then F. Sodium is a metal, and then fluorine, that's a nonmetal. When we have a metal and a nonmetal, we have an ionic compound. So we need to take that into account when we write the Lewis structure for NaF. In ionic compounds, valence electrons are transferred from the metal to the nonmetal. So sodium has one valence electron. It's in group 1 on the periodic table. And then fluorine, that's in group 17, sometimes called 7A, it has 7 valence electrons. When Na and F come together, the sodium transfers a valence electron, because it's an ionic compound, to the nonmetal, the fluorine. Since the sodium has lost an electron, electrons, they have a negative charge, the sodium now has a positive charge. The fluorine gained the electron, electrons are negative, so it has a negative charge. In this positive sodium and negative fluoride ion here, they come together, they're attracted, and they form the ionic bond. We should put brackets around the negative ion, and often you'll see brackets around the positive ion. The brackets are necessary to show that the electron was transferred to the fluorine, that they're not sharing electrons. It's the attraction of the positive ion and the negative ion that makes the ionic bond. One last note, this is what we call a formula unit. With ionic compounds, they exist as crystals, which are made up of repeating patterns of these formula units. Still, this is very useful to see how the electrons have been transferred between the ions. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for NaF, sodium fluoride, and thanks for watching.